Hello, welcome back. This is Patty Bennett. I'm so glad you're joining me for another Patty Stamps tutorial. I did a very quick, fast motion video to show you how to make these cards, but there is a step that I added that I don't think is in the video. So I wanted to show you a close-up of the finished cards and to show you what that step was. So just as a quick overview, I used the Evergreen Embossing Folder, which has these beautiful trees. I embossed watercolor cardstock and watercolored on the trees. You can kind of see here that they all turn out differently. I did find that the more water I used, the more kind of washed out it looked. So that's why you'll see in the video that I used a sponge dauber and ink to kind of highlight the raised tree area. The part that is not in the fast motion video is using the frost white shimmer paint in a Stampin' Spritzer. So there is rubbing alcohol about 2/3 full, and then I just sort of blop, like it's a blop, it's a plop. There is no real measurement. It's maybe like a 1/4 teaspoon, or I mean it's little, okay? And then you put the cap back on and you shake it really, really well. And then this is a spritzer. And so I did spritz these cards with this frost white shimmer paint. And like I said, that did not come through in the video. I don't think I did that part on the video. So just wanted to show you what I did. And by the way, if you've never seen this tip, when you are filling any of your spritzers, grab one of these bottles. It's from Sally Beauty. You could get it, I'm sure, on Amazon, any beauty supply place. But I love this pointed tip. I have, as you can see, rubbing alcohol, and it makes it super easy to fill. So I have one with rubbing alcohol, one with water, and I keep them at my desk so that when I want to use my spritzers, it's really easy to fill the Stampin' Spritzers. So enjoy the video. I think you'll enjoy all the steps sped up so that you don't have to listen to a 20-minute video. Thanks again for joining me, and you can view all the details at pattystamps.com. Thanks.